Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to the class. I am Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solution. Today, we are going to start or we are going to discuss about the introduction to trigonometry. I think already you have studied in the last week only. Ma'am has completed this topic, right? So I hope all of you understood very well and already you know the concepts, right? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸಮ್ 1, 2 and 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಎಸ್, with full josh we will start today's class, that is introduction to trigonometry. In this chapter, main points what we are going to discuss, what we are going to study, that is ratios of the trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios. Howda ishtu ide, how many ratios are there in the trigonometry? Yes, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios, right? So yes, my dear children, tell me how many ratios are there in the trigonometry? Yes, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ratios ಇದೆ? Yes, ma'am has told us 6 ratios are there. How many ratios are there? 6 ratios. Okay, before going to start the ratios of the trigonometry, first ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, in this chapter which triangle you are considering, means which triangle you are considering, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? That is right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle only all the stories goes, means ಈ right angle triangle ಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ trigonometry ratios, trigonometry story ಇದೆ, right? So right angle triangle means one angle is right angle, that is 90 degree. So this is triangle ABC. In B, angle B is 90 degree, right? So trigonometric ratios. So based on this right angle triangle, we can define 6 ratios, right? So 6 ratios anna now find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes, consider our angle theta. Theta means what? It is the angle. We are representing angle by the letter theta. This is Greek letter. Okay. So ಈ theta ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು angle ಅನ್ನ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? So now our theta is at C. Where is our theta? At C. So ನಮ್ಗೆ angle 90 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, angle theta ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? So ಇವೆರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, if we know the position of the theta and 90 degree, we can find out which is opposite side, which one is adjacent side, and which is hypotenuse. Yes or no, my dear children? Yes. So see, opposite of right angle means opposite of 90 degree, that side we call it as a ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Right angle triangle ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ, so one angle is 90 degree, right? So opposite of that 90 degree, this side here AC is hypotenuse. Yes, 90 ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ, that we call it as a hypotenuse, right? So here AC is hypotenuse. Wait, I will change the color. Okay, so this is our hypotenuse, right? Okay, next comes adjacent side. So adjacent side andre ಏನು? So before going to start adjacent side, first now opposite side andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, my dear children, now observe carefully, where is our theta? Theta is in C, means C point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ theta ಇದೆ. Theta means it is angle, right? So opposite side of the, means opposite of that angle, ನಮ್ಮ theta ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? C ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So C ಗೆ opposite ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? That side we call it as a opposite side. That opposite of that angle theta, opposite side. Okay, that this side AB we call it as a opposite side. ಯಾಕೆ? This is opposite to the angle theta. Theta ಗೆ opposite ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ. Therefore it is called as opposite side, right? So this is opposite side. Next, adjacent side. Adjacent side means what? See, where our angle 90 degree and our angle theta lies, that line we call this line as, see, this is our triangle. So this is our right angle triangle. So A, B, C, this is our right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. So in general, we call this side, it is base. So ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ in case of trigonometry, we call this base as adjacent side. What we call it as a adjacent side, right? So this is adjacent side. Yes, in right angle triangle, 3 sides we are getting. That is, one is adjacent side, another one is opposite side, and another one is hypotenuse, right? So now we are going to find out the trigonometric ratios. What do you mean by ratios? Ratios means comparison. That we know, right? So ratios andre ಏನು? Comparison. So two quantities ಅನ್ನ compare ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So here we are comparing two sides, right? So ratios ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? So ratios ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Wait. Yes. See, this is A is to B ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ you are going to write this as A divided by B. You are comparing A and B. A divided by B ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, right? So A is one quantity and B is one quantity. Here quantity means it is side. So now ಈಗ sides ಅನ್ನ compare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. So if we take 2 sides, for example, if I take opposite side and hypotenuse. So if I take opposite and hypotenuse, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? So opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So already you learned hypotenuse. So this is one ratio I am taking. Means I am comparing opposite side and hypotenuse. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? So this ratio, what we call it as a, so one good name ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ? Sin theta. Yes, sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? Next, if I compare adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, right? So ಈಗ ನಾನು adjacent side ಮತ್ತು hypotenuse ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಈ ಒಂದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಸೊ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ? Sorry, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So this ratio we call it as a, yes, cos theta. Yes, what we call it as a cos theta. This is hypotenuse, right? So it is hypotenuse. Sorry, cos theta, sin theta and cos theta. Next comes, so ಈಗ opposite divided by hypotenuse, adjacent divided by hypotenuse is over. Next I will take opposite divided by adjacent. ಇನ್ನು 2 sides ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ? opposite divided by hypotenuse ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, only consider opposite side and adjacent side. If we compare these 2 sides, then that ratio we call it as a tan theta. Yes or no? So sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. ಈಗ sin theta, cos theta, tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Next, 3 reciprocal relations are there. So this is also very important. We have to remember that is reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relations ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Cosec theta. Cosec theta means 1 divided by sin theta, right? Sec theta, that is secant theta, shortcut we call it as a sec theta. Sec theta is 1 divided by cos theta. Another one is cot theta. Cot theta means 1 divided by tan theta. So these 3 we call it as a reciprocal ratios. ಯಾಕೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Yes, reciprocal ratios. ಯಾಕೆ? Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Okay. So this is very, very important. we have to remember. That is trigonometric ratios. How many ratios are there? 6 ratios are there. How many reciprocal relations are there? 3. That is cosec, sec, and cot. Right? Theta means some angle. Next, another important thing we have to remember. That is, see, these are some values of some standard angles. Standard angles andre eno? 0 degree. See, if I draw one right angle triangle, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರಬಹುದು? 10 degree, 20 degree, 15 degree, 35 degree. But here we are considering some standard angles. Standard angles andre 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are called as some standard angles. Okay. So, ಈ ಒಂದು standard angles ಗೆ sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta values ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Okay. These are the values of some trigonometric ratios of standard angles, right? So, angle 0. Angle 0. If A means it is theta only. If you consider A is same as angle theta. Theta andru onde, A andru onde. If our angle is in point C, then we call it as angle C. So, angle P nalidre, angle P anta karitivi. Angle Q nalidre, so Q anta karitivi. Hauda? So, in general, we call it as a theta. A, B, C, if you consider, see, this is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. Our theta is at point A. Then you call it as a angle A. So, adanna prati sala sin A, cos A, tan A anta karitivi. Why? Because our angle is lies in the point A. Right? Next, angle A, these are the angles or ratios. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are some standard angles. Okay. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ angles ಗೆ values ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? This is very, 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 very important. Okay. So this chart is very important. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, 10 ಸಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, 100 ಸಾರ್ತಿ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay. Yes. Sin A. Sin A means what? If sin A is 0 degree, then the value is 0. Sin 30 degree, value is 1 divided by 2. If sin A means angle A is 45 degree, then value is 1 divided by root 2. If sin 60 degree, it is root 3 divided by 2. Sin 90 degree means it is 1. Okay. So how to remember this chart? See, very simple trick I am going to tell you. That is cos A. ಈಗ sin A ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ cos A you will remember easily. See, sin value, it starts from 0 to 90. Yes, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು starts from 0 to 90. But 0 degree, sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. So 0 to 1 between values ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ 30, 45 ಮತ್ತು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So sin 0 to 90, sin 0 is 1, sin 90 is 1. So sin A ಅಥವಾ sin theta ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Then you are going to get cos value. Why? See, sin 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. See, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Right? So sin 45 degree is 1 divided by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2. Like that, sin 60 degree is sin 30 degree is 1 divided by 2, sin cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 0 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. Sorry, 0. So ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬಂತು. Another one I want to tell you that, see, in MCQ question, in which value of the theta, sin theta and cos theta will remain same. Okay, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. In which value of the theta, sin theta and cos theta will remain same, means it is 45 degree. So observe carefully. Sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. Cos 45, it is 1 divided by root 2. Okay, yes. tan means what? You know sin divided by cos, that is tan. Haudalva? 0 divided by 1 means it is 0. 1 divided by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel agate. 1 divided by root 3 you will get. Here 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled. Only 1 divided by 1 will remain. So answer is 1. 60 degree. Sin divided by cos. Tan means sin divided by cos. So always remember, tan theta means sin divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Yes. Okay. Here, root 3 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Only root 3 divided by 1 remain. Root 3 divided by 1 means it is root 3 only. Yes. Sin 90 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So 1 divided by 0 means it is not defined. ND means not defined. Okay. Cosec theta. So cosec A means 1 divided by sin theta. Okay. Cosec theta means what? 1 divided by sin theta. So 1 divided by 0. So 0. Sin 0 is 0. So 1 divided by 0 means it is again not defined. 1 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 main hogatte. What you will get? 2. So 1 divided by 1 by root 2. Root 2 will come up. That is root 2. Root 3 divided by 2. 1 divided by root 3 divided by 2. Andre matte 2 mele hogutte. 2 divided by root 3 will get like that. So 1 divided by 1 means 1. Sec means it is reciprocal of cos theta. So 1 divided by cos theta in value ide. 1 divided by that value in baratte, that is sec theta. So sec A means it is 1. Sec 30 degree 2 divided by root 3. Sec 45 it is root 2. Sec 60 degree it is 2 and sec 90 not defined. Cot. Cot means 1 divided by tan. So tan values ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ 1 divided by ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get cot value, right? So cot 0 means it is not defined. Cot 30 degree it is root 3. Cot 45 it is 1 and cot 60 degree it is 1 divided by root 3 and cot 90 it is 0. Okay. Next. So another important thing we are going to remember. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ already. These are trigonometric identities. Right? So these all are trigonometric identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is very, very important. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Or you can write sec square A minus tan square A. So transfer this tan square A to this side. It becomes sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Cosec square A, transfer this cot square A to this side. It becomes cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. See, these are the main 3 identities. So from these 3 identities, we are going to get some other identities. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. So why we need these identities? So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? Why? Because see, now problems ಅನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವಾಗ if you get sin square A, so in place of sin square A, I can write 1 minus cos square A, right? Or if 1 is there, so 1 anta bantu. In that place, I can write sin square A plus cos square A. Because our identity tells sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, next. See, sec square A anta bantu anta tilkodi. So, in place of sec square A, I can write 1 plus tan square A. Yes or no? Right? So, 1 plus tan square A anta nan baribodu. Alli naven martivi. We are using these identities. So, based on these ratios and trigonometric identities, we are going to solve some examples, 1 or 2 more examples. Okay. So another identities are there. That is sin square A. Sin square A andre transfer this cos square A to this side. You will get 1 minus cos square A. So again, if I get 1 minus cos square A anta nimma problem alli bantu. Avaga you can write or you can use 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So how it comes? See, 1 minus cos square A means what? It is A square minus B square, right? It is in the form A square minus B square. A means it is 1, B means it is cos A. So 1 square means 1 square minus cos square A. 1 square means it is 1 only, cos square A. So, idinna, so 1 minus cos square A, I will write it as A plus B into A minus B, right? A plus B into A minus B. So A value is 1, A plus B, B value is cos A, and 1 minus A minus B, 1 minus B value is cos A. So ನಾನು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, right? So 1 minus cos square A, I can write it as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A or 1 minus cos square A, right? ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀಡ್ ಇದೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos square A means it is 1 minus sin square A. Again it is 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. ಸೊ sin square A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. sin square A means what? It is 1 minus cos square A, right? Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Then what is sin A? Sin A means you will put square root. So sin A means it is not square, it is A. Root of 1 minus cos square. Right? So again cos A is root of 1 minus sin square A. Right? Okay. So some multiple choice questions are there. Okay. So these are 1 marks questions. Okay. See, if 13 sin theta is equal to 12. Okay. Then the value of cosec theta, what they ask? Value of cosec theta. Okay. Sin theta is 13 sin theta is equal to 12. What we want? We want cosec theta, right? So sin theta is equal to, transfer this 13 to this side, 12 divided by 13. Yes. So cosec theta means what? 1 divided by sin theta. Yes. So it is reciprocal relation. 1 divided by sin theta. So sin theta value is 12 divided by 13. So adana ulta madri cosec theta. Or you can write 1 divided by 12 divided by 13. Transfer this 13 to this side. That is 13 divided by 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cosec theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin theta value ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get cosec theta, right? So 13 divided by 12. Which option is correct? Is it there in the option? Yes, it is there. Where? It is D option. 13 divided by 12. Cosec theta. Right? Next. In figure, the value of cosec A. Okay. Okay, slides are 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Yes. In the adjoining figure, the value of cosec A. See, one figure they have given and the values they have given. What they asked? They asked the value of cosec A. For that, what we are going to do? One second. Okay. So, in the adjoining figure, the value of cos A we want. See, our angle is in A. So, A nalli namma angle ide and 90 degrees C. So, angle C is 90 degree and angle A is our theta, right? So, now opposite of theta, it is opposite side, right? And this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse, right? So what we want? We want cos A. We know the cos A ratio, that is cos A is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. right? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. If you write, then you will get cos A. So what is the value of adjacent side here? It is 4 and value of hypotenuse is 5. So cos A value is 4 divided by 5. Is it there in the option? Yes, it is there. Therefore, option B is right. Okay. Next. Second. Yes. The value of sine 90 degree and sine 90 degree minus tan 45 degree is there. So in order to solve this problem, first we need to know the values of standard angles, right? So sine 90 degree andre ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? So remember sine 90 degree is one ನಿಮಿಷ. So I will erase first. Wait. Yes, sine 90 degree is 1 and tan 45 is, it is also 1. So substitute the value of sine 90 degree and tan 45 degree. What you will get? Wait, I will take slideshow. Yes, sine 90 degree and tan 45 degree. Sine 90 degree value is 1. Sine 90 degree minus tan 45 degree. Sine 90 degree is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore, 1 minus 1, it is 0. Is it there in the option? Yes, option B is right. Okay, next. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Then tan A value is, see, cot 15 cot A is equal to 8 they have given. What they ask? Tan A value we want, so we don't know tan A. For that, cot A is equal to, transfer this 15 to this side, it is 8 divided by 15 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So we know 1 divided by tan A is cot A, right? So 1 divided by tan A is cot A. Cot A is, so tan A is equal to 1 divided by 18 divided by 15. So transfer this 15 to this side. It becomes 15 divided by 8. Is it there in the option? Yes, 15 divided by 8 is right answer. Next. It is also same. Cos A is equal to 5 cos A is equal to 3. So sec A we want. Sec A means 1 divided by cos. Cos A is equal to 3 divided by 5. Transfer this 5 to this side. 3 divided by 5. So 1 divided by cos means it is sec A. So sec A is equal to 1 divided by 3 divided by 5. Cos A value is 3 divided by 5. 1 divided by cos A is sec A. Transfer this 5 to this side. It becomes 5 divided by 3. Is it there in the option? Yes, option B is right. Next, if sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree is equal to, yes, sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, sine 60 degree means what? What is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 divided by 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3. 2 into 2, it is 4. So 3 divided by 4. Therefore, option C is right. Okay. Next. Sin A is equal to 1 divided by 2. Yes, my dear children, observe carefully. Sin A is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Then the magnitude of A means standard angle alli 1 by root 2 ellide. So in which value of the, in which angle we are getting the value 1 divided by root 2? That is sine 45 degree is 1 divided by root 2. Okay, therefore 45 degree is right answer. Next, value of sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree is, yes. So sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Okay, so what is the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree eshtagatte? So fast, remember, sine 60 degrees means it is root 3 divided by 2. Yes, very good. Cos 30 degrees, it is also root 3 divided by 2. Yes, sine 30 degrees, 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees, 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3 divided by 2 into 2, it is 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 into 2, it is 4. So, denominator is 4. So, write 4, same ide, no need to take LCM. Numerator is 3 plus 1, it is 4 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Therefore, value is 1. Option C is right. Okay. So, ee tarahada questions na nimge exam alli keltare. See, if tan theta is equal to 7 divided by 8, then the value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta anta ide. So, value of 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta we are going to find out. That is, see, it is a plus b into a minus b. It is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Yes, my dear children, already you know what is a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square, right? So here a value is 1 and b value is sine theta. Therefore, directly I can write it as 1 square minus sine square theta, right? Divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. That is a plus b into a minus b, right? So a plus b into a minus b. It is a square minus b square again. A means 1, b means cos theta. Therefore, 1 square, a square minus b square. B square is cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, 1 minus cos square theta. Sorry, 1 minus sine square theta is, remember the identity, 1 minus sine square theta, it is cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta, it is sine square theta, right? So here I can write it as 1 minus sine square theta means it is cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So we know the value of tan theta, that is 7 divided by 8. Tan theta means sine theta divided by cos theta. So it is tan theta, right? So tan theta andre sine theta divided by cos theta. But illenide, here cos theta divided by sine theta ide. Cos square theta divided by sine square theta. That means cos theta divided by sine theta. So reciprocal of tan theta. Howda? So sine theta divided by cos theta means it is tan theta. If I get cos theta divided by sine theta, then it is cot theta. Howdalva? Tan theta, the opposite enagatte, cot theta agatte. So cot theta means cos theta divided by sine theta. Means it is here cos square theta divided by sine square theta means it is cot square theta. Right? So if tan value is 7 divided by 8, then what is the value of cot theta? The tan value is 7 divided by 8. Cot theta means 1 divided by 7 divided by 8. Why? Because tan theta is equal to 1 divided by cot theta. So, 1 divided by cot theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 divided by tan theta. So, we know the value of tan theta, that is 7 divided by 8. 1 divided by 7 divided by 8 means it is cot theta. So transfer this 8 to this side. It becomes 8 divided by 7. Therefore, value of cot theta is 8 divided by 7. So cos theta divided by sin theta, that is 8 divided by 7. Cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta means it is 8 divided by 7. But here cos square theta divided by sin square theta is there. So it is 8 square divided by 7 square. It is 8 square means 64 divided by 7 square. 7 square is 49. Yes, is it there in the option? Yes, it is there. 64 divided by 49. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. Okay. Yes. One more question I will put. That is, wait, which question I have to put? Wait. Yes. 2 tan square 45 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay. Minus sin square 60 degree. Yes. Find out the value of 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree is there. So, how to find out the value of this? That is 2 into, we know the value of 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. So, tan square is 1 square. Remember, tan square means it is 1 square. So, plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degrees root 3 divided by root 2, root 3 divided by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Cos square 30 is root 3 divided by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 degree. That means sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Here sin square 60 degree is there. Therefore root 3 divided by 2 whole square. Okay. 2 into 1, that is 2, plus root 3 divided by 2 whole square. That means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square andre enagutte. So root 3 divided by 2 whole square means this square, it applies to both the numbers, right? A divided by B whole square, A square divided by B square agutte. Like that, it is root 3 square divided by 2 square agutte. Root 3 square means it is 3. 2 square means it is 4, right? Minus, again it is root 3 square, it is 3. 2 square means it is 4. So here plus root 3 divided by 4, here minus 3 divided by 4. So it both will get cancelled. What remains? Only 2 remains. So this is our answer. Yes. Next. One more question I want to solve. That is, yes. See, 2 tan 30 degree. Okay. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. That means find out the value of, find the value of 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into tan 30 degree means it is 1 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is 1 divided by 3 root 3 whole square. Tan 30 degree andre 1 divided by root 3. Tan square andre 1 divided by root 3 whole square, right? So 2 into 1, it is 2 divided by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 square, it is 1 divided by root 3 square, it is 3. 2 divided by root 3 divided by, okay, divided by 3, nothing is there means 1. So 1, 3 and 1. Take LCM. LCM is 3. So in order to get 3, I have to multiply 1 into 3, 1 into 3. So 3 plus 1 divided by divided by 3. LCM is 3. 2 divided by root 3 divided by 4 divided by 3. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So transfer this 3 to this side. That is 3 divided by transfer this 2 to this side. 2 into root 3. Therefore, answer is 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Okay. So, idana innu simplify madidre. I will write this 3 as root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So, root 3 will get cancelled. So, root 3 divided by 2, or you can keep as it is 3 divided by 2 root 3 anta itru correct ide. Okay. Next. Another question I want to solve, that is, yes, 2 more questions. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Then calculate cos A and tan A. So one ratio they will give, they have to, means they want that find out the value of cos A and tan A. Yaude ratio kodbodu, cos A kodbodu, sec A, cosec A, cot A, anything they can give. Okay, only one ratio they will give, and we have to find out other ratios. So sometimes they ask that sin A is equal to one value they have given, means they will give, and calculate the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, avaga ella ratios anna calculate madbeku. So sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So draw one right angle triangle. A, B, C. Hige hakana. Okay. So our right angle means 90 degrees B, and our angle A, angle theta is in A. So sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So opposite side, sin theta means what? Sin A is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, right? So which one is opposite side here? Angle is in A, and opposite side, opposite of that angle, that is BC. BC is opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Right? So 90 degree ge opposite agi yaudide, that is hypotenuse. Angle A athwa angle theta ge opposite yaudide, that one is opposite side. Okay, so opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Sin theta, sin A value they have given, that is 3 divided by 4. So opposite side is 3, that means opposite side value is 3 and hypotenuse value is 4. Opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. Okay, so question anna ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, sin A is equal to 3 divided by 4. Then find out cos A and tan A. So first we have to draw one right angle triangle. In that opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So opposite side value is 3 and hypotenuse value is 4. Okay, so here in order to get the cos A value, we know, means namge ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, adjacent side value we want, right? So we don't know adjacent side value. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse andre cos A, but we don't know the value of adjacent side. That for that we need to calculate adjacent side. How to calculate adjacent side? See, this is a right angle triangle and we know the value of two sides. Then we can use the Pythagoras theorem, right? So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? We know the value of AC and we know the value of AB, but we don't know BC. For that, BC square is equal to, this is according to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Theorem. Yes. So BC square nam gottilla. Transfer this AB square to this side. AC square or AB square minus AC square. AC square minus AB square. BC square we don't know. AC square means it is hypotenuse AC, that is 4 square. AB square is 3. 3 square. 4 square it is 16. 16 minus 3 square it is 9. So 16 minus 9. BC square is equal to 16 minus 9. BC square is equal to 16 minus 9 andre eshtagutte? What value you are going to get? Yes, that is 7. If BC square is equal to 7, then what is the value of BC? That is root 7. Okay, so our adjacent side is root 7. So now it is easy to find out the value of cos A and tan A. Yes, cos A means what? It is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, right? Yes, adjacent side value is root 7. Hypotenuse is 4. This is the value of cos A. Okay, and tan A. Tan A means it is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Yes, opposite side. Okay, opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side value is 3. Adjacent side is root 7. Okay, so 3 divided by root 7. This is the value of tan A. So this question can be asked for 2 mark. Idunna 2 mark alli keltare. Next, prove that 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos. Yes, prove that 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Yes, how to find out? How to prove 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Yes, my dear children, first write down the question. 1 plus cos A ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ 1 minus cos, right? So what I will do, I will multiply 1 here 1 minus cos A is there, so I will multiply 1 plus cos A to both the sides, numerator and denominator. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 1 plus cos A 1 plus cos A ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So under root it is. Okay, so I will multiply 1 plus cos A to both numerator and denominator. Then what you will get? See, 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A. It is A plus B into A plus B and A plus B whole square, right? So A plus B whole square, right? A means it is 1 and B is A means it is 1 and B means it is cos A whole square divided by 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. It is A minus B into A plus B, right? It is A plus B into A minus B. What you will get? A square minus B square. So what is the value of A? A is 1 square. What is the value of B? B is cos square. So B square is cos square A. Now, 1 plus cos square A, write as it is 1 plus cos square A or cos A whole square divided by 1 square means it is 1 only. 1 minus cos square A. So remember the identity. 1 minus cos square A, it is sin square A. So 1 minus cos square A antandre enagatte? That is sin square A. So I will write 1 minus cos square A as sin square A. Illi namage identity use agatte. Right. Next. 1 plus cos square A divided by sin square A anta ide. So this is under the root. This is under the root. So ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. So this square and square root will get cancelled. What remains? 1 plus cos A divided by sin A, right? 1 plus cos A divided by sin A means I will write it as 1 divided by sin A plus cos A divided by sin A anta ನಾನು ಬರಿತೀನಿ, right? So 1 divided by sin A plus cos A divided by sin A. Why? Because the sin A belongs to both the terms. Therefore, I can write it as 1 divided by sin A plus 1 cos A divided by sin A. Now, you know that 1 divided by sin A. So, 1 divided by sin A means it is cosec A, right? Reciprocal relation. Cosec A plus cos A divided by sin A means what? It is cot A, right? Cot A means cos A divided by sin A. So, tan A means what? Sin A divided by cos A. ಅದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cot A ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So cos A divided by sin A means it is cot A. So this is our RHS part. Prove that ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ this is our proof. That is RHS. This is our final answer. Yes, this question, it may ask for 2 marks. Next. Next, I want to solve another question. That is, this question may ask for 2 or 3 marks. 3 mark ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. 5u. So 5u cos square 60 degree. Remember 5u cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree. Yes, 5u cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, this question was asked here. I don't know, but this question was asked for 3 marks. ಇದನ್ನ 3 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. Yes, how to solve this question? First, cos square 60 degree means first we have to remember what is the value of cos 60. Cos 60 means it is 1 by 2, right? Next, sec 30 degree, sec square 30 degree. So first sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree means what? It is 2 divided by root 3, right? So tan 45 degree, tan square means tan square 45 degree ಇದೆ. So now first tan 45 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Tan 45 degree is 1. Next, here sin 30 degree is there. So what is the value of sin 30 degree? It is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree means it is also, it is root 3 divided by 2. Yes. So ಏನನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Now substitute all these values in this problem. That is 5u into cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2. Cos square means put square, right? 4 into sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is 2 divided by root 3. Sec square means 2 divided by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 degree is 1. Tan square 45 is 1 square divided by sin 30 degree is 1 divided by 2. Sin square means 1 divided by 2 whole square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Cos square means it is 2, means whole square, right? Okay. 5u into 1 square is 1 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4 divided by root 3 whole square means it is 3 minus 1 square is 1 divided by 1 square means it is 1 divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus root 3 whole square. Root 3 square is 3. Root 3 into root 3. 2 square. 2 square is 4. Now 5u into 1, it is 5u divided by 4 plus 4 into 4, it is 16 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by denominator is 4. 1 plus 3, it is 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So what remains here? Only 5 divided by 4 plus 16 divided by 3 minus 1. Now, my dear children, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cancel ಆಯ್ತು. So 1 is there, no need to write 1. Now, here 4 is there, here 3 is there, and here 1 is there. Nothing is there means 1. So 4, 3 and 1. Take LCM. 4, 3, 1 LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It is 12, right? It is 12. Or you can do one more thing. That is, see here 3 is there, here 1 is there. So first I will write 4 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4 as it is. So ಇನ್ನು simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ if you take 4, 3 and 1, the LCM is 12. So ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 5 divided by 4 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Plus 16 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 means LCM is 3. 16 minus, so multiply 1 into 3, 1 into 3 because LCM is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. 5 divided by 4 plus 16 minus 3 is 13 divided by 3. Ishte ulitte. Next. So now only 4 and 3 remains. ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So now 4 and 3 LCM is 12. Here also it becomes 12 only. 12. So 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12, into 3 into 4. 5 3s are 15, plus 13 into 4. 13 into 4, 13 4s are 52, divided by 12. So 15 plus 52, how much it is? It is 67 divided by 12. Therefore, our answer is 67 divided by 12. This is our final answer. Yes, 16 divided by 12. Yes, this question, ಈ ತರಹ question, okay, ಎಷ್ಟು marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? 3 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this problem. Only sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, tan 30 ಎಲ್ಲಾ values ಅನ್ನ perfect ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this problem will become easy. Okay, yes. Another small question I will solve. Okay, that is, see, cosec 60 degree. This question is for 2 marks. Cosec 60 degree minus sec 45 degree plus cot 30 degree anta ide. Find out the value of cosec 60 degree minus sec 45 degree plus cot 30 degree. Now, my dear children, what is the value of cosec 60 degree? It is 2 divided by root 3 minus sec 45 is root 2 divided by 1, that is root 2 only, plus cot 30 degree is root 3 divided by 1. Nothing is there means 1. Now, root 3, here root 3 is there, 1, 1. Therefore, root 3 is LCM. So, 2 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 3 into root 3. 2 minus 2 into 3, it is root 6, 2 3s are 6, plus root 3 into root 3, it is 3 divided by root 3. So, 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 minus root 6 divided by root 3. This is our final answer. I hope all of you understood this problem. Yes, my dear children, with this, today, which type of questions we discussed? That is 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions, right? And also we discussed about some introduction of the trigonometry, right? So, in the next class, we will solve some 3 marks questions. Okay, so shall we stop today's session? Okay, all the best, my dear children. Thank you very much.